the day.
My name is Mark Soderbeck, and I've ran Vail Typewriter since 1978. As soon as the computers got to a certain value, then the typewriters went down. Just two spools. Did a lot of different manual typewriters. It's the most common ribbon. We used to have this completely full of ribbons. Every slot had ribbons back in the 70s. Now, there's not many slots for ribbons anymore. And then in the last 5-6 years with the manual typewriter business, it's expanded. It's gotten busier. And it's all a lot to do with young people having their old manual typewriters repaired. And a lot of them are heirlooms. So I hear a lot of that. Grandfathers, and some people just pick them up. And there are a lot of collectors. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, oops, 3. Gives you your 246 total. But it didn't work when I got it. So. The other day I just counted how many typewriters I had in here for repair. I had 20 in for repair. 15 of them were manual typewriters. So that's 75% of my business is manual typewriters, it seems. I don't really use a computer. If I have to have anything done, my wife does it for me. I can do a little bit, but sometimes I'll push the wrong button and I'll have to ask for my wife, what did I do wrong? I'm not a typist, I'm a repair guy. Airplane mechanics, they probably couldn't fly a 747. Books they used to sell on how to type. Maybe I should sit down and learn how to do that. So I could learn how to type.